Deanna? Well, I'm going to start off with myself. Okay, I had an experience, and I don't know if it was you or not, but I heard the door move twice, and this was maybe 25 minutes ago. And then I opened the door, and there was nobody there. Was that you?
I don't think so.
Wow,
I was in the other
okay.
room.
But when I
25 minutes ago, I was in the other room.
But when we came in the back, all of a sudden it felt like my ears was like plugged up with water, and I sensed some sort of like a bubble kind of thing over here. But then I thought it was just the wind from us opening up the back door coming through. You know how when you open up a door in a house, sometimes the other doors
Yeah.
do that. That's what I thought.
And you also, too, you visualize something
It was
coming
like
through
a
the
bubble.
door.
It was just like
Or-
a big bubble.
Coming through the door?
Mhm.
Okay,
Like
front
a
door.
So maybe that was what
Yeah.
you,
Well,
you heard 25 minutes ago.
yeah, 25 minutes ago, yeah. There was something actually was pushing on the door, and it sounded like
Yeah, it wasn't me because I was in
like
the other
this.
room.
Yeah, this is what the sound like.
That's weird.
And I go, that's got to be Abigail. So I opened the door. No
And
one's
I
there.
wasn't there. Yeah.
That was weird. Okay.
That's weird.
All right. Okay. So, Abigail, you were investigating for 45 minutes. So, I know you did you got the
EMF, yeah.
EMF over there.
High EMFs over there.
Yeah. So, go ahead and explain what happened in that 45 minutes.
Okay, in the 45 minutes, Bonnie and I did an EVP at first, and I played my recorder back, Bonnie played hers back. We thought we got something the first time we did an EVP in the bedroom over here, and we were actually in the laundry room, not in the bedroom, and we believe we got an EVP. We're not sure what it says. We're gonna have to analyze it. It sounded like it said what?
Male voice or female
It
voice?
sounded like a female, but I can't really tell. Then we went into, then we did another EVP, we didn't get anything. We did a voice box, we did a ghost box, and we got quite a bit on the ghost box. There was several words being said, and the interesting thing is, I went in this room with the ghost box and got not one word for 5 minutes. I had it on for 5 minutes, and I didn't get one sound, not a blip, not a word, nothing. And we got several words in that other room. So I would think if it was interference, which is very unlikely because there's no radio towers around here, but if there was interference, it would happen in both rooms equally. It wouldn't just happen in one room. So I think there was something trying to communicate with us in that other room, and I'd like to try another ghost box in there later. So that's basically what we got. Then I went in the kitchen, and I was doing an EMF reading around the house, and I did get a very high EMF reading in the kitchen when I turned the light on. When I turned the light off, the readings went down to nothing. So I think there's that light's putting up huge high EMFs, which could lead to increased activity or hallucinations, paranoia.
Right.
You know,
And
dizziness.
in one of my cases, we had an apartment, high EMF, and they were hallucinating.
Yeah.
And as soon as they moved
Seriously.
out of that apartment, no more
Totally,
hallucinations.
totally.
But they were seeing ghosts, shadow people, all kinds of stuff.
Yeah. I mean, so I don't know if it's that. You know, it's the chicken before the egg. Is it the EMFs that are causing the ghost, or is the ghost causing it? You know, you don't know. So
Right. Cool.
that's about what I got.
Okay. Thank you, Abigail. And Bonnie, what did you experience in that 45 minutes?
In that 45 minutes, we did do an EVP with Mark, and he had said, is my dad here? Is it my dad? I have the right to know. And we got a two-syllable
We got 2 syllables something.
something. I couldn't tell if it was male or female. So we'll have to
Okay.
look at that some more too. And I spent a lot of time in that room with Miss Lilly over here.
Well, I could really hear ghosts really, very well if they have a...
And Lily, you also too, you have psychic abilities, and Deanna's going to be counseling you later on tonight. And also too, you communicate with your great-grandfather, and you communicate with an entity here named Griver, Griver, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, and Griver says what, he didn't want to cause chaos here?
Yeah, he didn't know he was. He just wanted to make a friend on this day, but he doesn't. He didn't know he was creating something bad here. He just wanted to make a friend.
Griver
Because he
also
hasn't made one since a kid, a teenager, or anything. Not really since he was a grown-up either.
and I asked Griver what year he was born, and he said 1870. Couldn't
Really?
get straight on the last.
Is that on the ghost box?
It's on video.
You got an EVP that said that?
No,
or-
no. She was talking to
Oh, okay. Communicating
Griver.
through her.
She was
Okay.
talking to Griver. And Griver also told her that he just got here yesterday or today, right?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Okay, but see, the problem didn't just happen yesterday.
Exactly.
This problem was actually
It's been happening.
after my mother died, which is back in November. So
Yes.
I mean, what has been going on during that time? So it's not just Griver or okay.
Exactly.
If
We need
Griver
to
just
do
got
more.
here just a
There's
couple
gotta be
days
a
ago,
portal or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Okay,
we need to do more investigating.
there's something
We've
else.
heard